time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record.
What's up, ST Racing family? I'm Sean, owner of ST Racing, and this is Eduardo's 2016 Camaro SS.
Looks so nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost.
If you enjoyed today's dyno session of Eduardo's 2016 Camaro SS, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with all your friends. We hope to see you again soon.
On record, off record, I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'.